On today's episode of MotoCheez.
So what's up, boys? Gobege sent me this air compressor for review. And I've had about a dozen different air compressors, mainly the Harbor Freight big one and the Rugged Ridge. And so far, the Harbor Freight beats out the Rugged Ridge. 150 psi, 12 volts, 45 amps. Wow. 580 watts, 160 liters per minute. It's got a 60 millimeter cylinder in it, 26 feet of hose, 8 foot with clamp power cord, 3 nozzles, and it weighs 16 pounds. Anything smaller than those Rugged Ridge ones are kind of worthless if you're trying to fill up a good sized Jeep tire, 35 inches or bigger. This thing's got some weight to it. I notice on these 12 volt compressors that you have to have the car running really to get them cranked up. Holy cow, that thing is massive. Look at the size of the cylinder on that. An aluminum alloy cylinder and head. The user's manual. Trying to see what kind of warranty. There's a nice little tire connector. Looks like a little blow off, a sports ball filler, and a tapered filler. And a nice rubber hose. Pretty thick, but it's not stiff. That's definitely the biggest one I've ever seen.
That's what she said.
So it says a 26-foot air hose. Let's check it out. Oops. Oh, I don't want to flip it over. I got 24 feet. Nice long hose though. Overall length looks like 13 and a quarter. Overall height looks like just under 9 inches with the rubber feet. Overall width, the base is 5 3/4, and the compressor unit itself is 4 1/4. The bag itself for storage is 13 inches by 9 inches by about 9 inches tall. I think I'm going to have to pull my Jeep out, test this out. We'll do side by side. I have a Rugged Ridge in my Jeep. The mini truck has a Harbor Freight. Does have a gauge on it here. Let's get the Jeep out. Rosanna was playing. Makes me want to stay in the car. Don't mind my filthy Jeep. My compressor I laid flat here. Like I said, this is a Rugged Ridge. I keep calling it Rugged Ridge because that's where I bought it. I ran a wire straight from the battery through to this and the ground. Let's set the other one up and clamp it on the battery. Nice clamps. They look like they're all copper. Oh, scared me. Someone left it on. So I guess first thing we'll do, I don't have a CFM gauge. Quite a bit. If it'll levitate the ping pong ball. I'm seeing about 5.5 inches. For my next trick, put this on the other one. About there. It's at about 13.5 inches. Along the window and pick up. That's quite a bit more. It goes from 13 to 15 inches. I'll let the air out of 2 of these tires and I'll let 2 of them fill up at once. That's a good test. 35-inch tire. Do it from a totally flat tire. Hook up my tire filler. I wonder if that one will fit under my seat because so far, Gobege, is it? Gobege. It's working pretty good. Put my Schrader back in. It's pretty good quality there. These takes about 3 minutes for it to empty out. I'll even turn Rugged Ridge pump on before I put the Gobege pump on. We have a total flat tire. I definitely like the quick connect that comes with that Gobege. Alright, let me start it up. Lots of skip. Go. That's showing 50. Pumping through. That's all showing 25. I'll leave this in here. It's definitely pumping up a lot faster. Hose is cool there. Pretty warm there. Can't do my thermal because I'm doing a timer. This one, I know this pump pretty good because I use it a lot. Usually if I go about 5 or 8 over and then I shut it off, it's pretty accurate. About 35. To me, this one gets hot too. That's at 35 pounds. This is at 20 pounds. 45. I'll do a little more. We'll stop it at 45. 45. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. So probably 4 minutes and 30 seconds. About 10 more pounds to go. That's about 40 pounds right there. 5 more pounds to go. And about a pound more to go. We'll shut it off and check it. Right about there. 45 exactly. 8 minutes and 40 seconds we'll call. See if both these gauges are accurate. I like this quick connect way better. 48.5, so I went over. 46.5 pounds. Put these down to 38. This is not warm at all. That's not warm at all. That's lukewarm. Let's get the thermal. Alright, the head is like 118. Crankcase is like 104, 105. Head's about 130. See, the motor itself is cool. 92. Yeah, that hose gets hot. These wires didn't even warm up. Got to be 10 gauge or better. I also like this hose a lot better than that coily hose. Not bad at all. The hose does have a little goop on it. Probably some kind of oil residue. So what do I think of this unit? I like it. Very impressive with the output. It has a 40-minute cycle time. 640 watt direct drive motor. Has auto thermal cutoff switch. Overheat protection. 6.35 CFM at 0 PSI. It'll pump up to 150 PSI. Pure copper windings. Oil-free compressor. 24-foot air hose. An 8-foot power cord. 1-year warranty. And it's going for $130 right now on Amazon. Best compressor I've used to date. The bag is, just standard. What they all come with. Not bad, especially for the price.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.